Hi everyone. I had a request. I showed these three Amy Tangerine Daybooks in a haul, I don't know, last week or the week before, and I had a couple of requests. They wanted to see the inside of these books, so I'm going to share that with you now. I'll start with this one here first. And I probably should have opened these before I came on camera. Sorry. Of course. Okay, this is the first one, and this one is the Noteworthy book. Okay, so that's what the outside looks like. And I'm just going to thumb through real quick so you can get an idea of what the inside looks like. It just has all different types of pages, and the paper is really thick. It's like cardstock almost. It's like thick designer paper. You guys know what that feels like. So this is pretty cool. I like that little typewriter down there. So it's, you know, kind of like a mini smash book kind of thing, I think. And that's it for that one. And it's got this cool plastic cover on it. So that's the Noteworthy Daybook by Amy Tangerine. And now I will share this one with you. Let me just get it open. Sorry, I should have did this before. You guys know how I am. I don't think ahead. I just go for it. One of these is going to be going into my giveaway. I'm not sure which one yet. Alright, this one is called Off the Map. That's what the front looks like. It's got the plastic overlay with the airplane. Okay, and this is what the inside looks like. So it's got some stickers. And just some little pages. It's got all kinds of cool little stuff stuck in between the pages. I'm not quite sure how to use it. I guess I'd have to watch some tutorials on YouTube, but you didn't say you wanted to know how to use it. You said you wanted to see the inside of it. Then there's this one. Got a little doily. And then this one. And some more stickers. Okay, so that's the Off the Map. And this one is called Hug Life, and I like this one the best, so this one I'm probably keeping. Let me get it open. Hope you guys are having a good day today. I'm going to be having a lot of videos today. I have some tutorial requests and a request to show my stamps, how I store my stamps, and kind of explain it a little further in detail. So I had mentioned it or showed it on a video recently, and someone wanted to see it in more detail. So I'm going to try to get all those done, and if I can get this little sticker thing off, I'll show you this book. Here we go. Ah, there we go. Finally. Okay, so this one, whew. This is what the outside of this one looks like. It's got this really cool wood grain plastic overlay with the little cute camera in the corner. And then on the inside, this is what it looks like. I guess these are supposed to be used as photo mats, I believe. I don't know. I have to watch some tutorials to see how they're used. But isn't this cute? I really love this book here. A little thank you. And this one again has a little typewriter. A little envelope to put little goodies into. Memorabilia. Oh, this is cool. And that's it. So that was the Hug Life, Off the Map, and Noteworthy. These are the day books by Amy Tangerine, and I hope you saw what you wanted to see. Thank you all for watching, and thanks for requesting. If anybody else has requests of videos they'd like to see, please just let me know, leave a comment, or send me a private message. And if I can accommodate you, I certainly will. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. I love new subscribers. Everyone's welcome here. And we will talk with you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.